All right, here's a review of what your wiki should contain. You should have a wiki that has multiple pages on it. A home page, historical significance, virtual tour, a page about the facts of the actual monument, capstone research, which is your research that you did on the actual monument, and then there's a link in there, practice glog, that you can actually use that glog on another page. That was just your practice one. You can eventually delete that page. All right, real quick, this is how we're going to insert a Voki for those of you who don't remember. All right, first of all, I need to have approved your Voki. So if this is your edit page and you want to put it down here in the bottom, you want to make sure your cursor is at the right spot. You're going to go to widgets, other HTML, and then you're going to go to your Voki. This is the universal code for embed. When you click on embed, the code will come up. You can choose the size. It defaults to medium. If you want a bigger one, 300 by 400 is the size. Go here, copy it, go back to your embed code, click Save, and Preview, and you should be good to go. This is the one that I just put in. All right? So I'm going to save it. I'm going to move on to another page and do the same thing for Prezi. Prezi's going to look a little different. I'm going to go to the virtual tour page just to mix it up a little bit. Again, I will go to Edit. I'll place the cursor to where I want it. If I want it underneath this widget, okay, that's where I'll put the cursor. I will go to Community Prezis. This time it's a little bit different. You have to find the Share button over here. Click on the Share button, and here's again the universal embed code. This would be if you just wanted to link it to the Prezi. This is the code that you're going to use right here, copy it to clipboard to actually have it pop into your Prezi, or excuse me, your wiki. So go back here. I am going to go back to Edit, my widget edit button, other HTML, paste, save, preview, and in theory, my Prezi should appear inside the wiki page. I want to save that. I'm good to go. You will use the miscellaneous or the other HTML for most of the links that you're putting in. I'm going to go to another page. Now let's do it on this one. I'm going to do the same thing for my Pixton. I want to put my Pixton right here. I'll go back to my Pixton page. Here's the universal embed code again. Click on embed. Here you might have to do this a couple times to get the format that you want. You have 4 embed codes. One is for a flash widget, which is full size auto scaling. In some of the cartoon setups, you might only be able to use the first 2. If you want to know what this looks like, you click the preview button and it'll tell you what it'll look like on your page. All right? So pick the one that you like. Copy it. Go back to your 8th grade, widget, other, save it, preview, and again, in theory, the cartoon should be there at the bottom. This allows you to enlarge it and bring it onto a separate page. All right. The last one, the Glogster, is the one item that you'll put in here that's a little bit different. On this one, you will go ahead and you will go back to Edit. Go back to Edit, Widget, Poster this time. You need to be logged into Glogster. Dillinger and Carter, you are mine after this lesson. Just don't even go there. Go to Poster. You need to be logged into Glogster. When you go to Glogster, the posters that you have made will appear. So this one's a little bit different. You're not grabbing an embed code. You're just basically picking the poster that you want. This is the poster. Insert it. There you go. It's all in. Again, you need to be logged inside or logged into Glogster before you go to that widget. All right?